Alright, Jay. Taste the pizza, taste it.
Just like a real pizza.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. So today we decided we're gonna go outside of the box, outside of the norm, and so we're gonna make some pizza. So 2 pizza warming today, guys, and it's gonna be, we call it the dish. Can't say it. They can't say it. Yeah, so it's gonna be the deep dish pizza, guys. So we have a pepperoni, and we have a pineapple.
Hi guys,
I have a pepper sauce, everything in it basically, guys. So just stay tuned and watch our going. So I'm at stop right now. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the yeast start to activate. So we're gonna cover it back. Cool. Alright, guys, so the yeast finished activating now. So we're gonna get it mixed to the flour. Ingredient. It's about enough. So basically we just add this until we get the right consistency. Guys, so we'll add a little bit of oil in there. It's gonna need it in now, guys, so yeah, can get a close up. We're gonna cover it up now, guys, with saran wrap so it can rise. Yeah, guys, so just add in the saran wrap and we're going to put it over this side. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour. So in the meantime, watch it, right at the shore, some big fish. Take time, walk, go close to them. Beep. Oh. This looks like the biggest one, right? This. Yeah, people checking back there at the beach. See them guys. Yeah, people, so I'm gonna make a next video. Put on the video when I make pizza, I think. So just stay tuned for that. Yeah, people are checking back. So get my fish. Like it? Yeah, it's supposed to have salt on it. Which one of these is yours? This?
Peppers on it. I like the top pepper.
Yeah, just take it out.
Just pinch it.
Yeah.
Let me see what
Yeah, people, so I take this out for the fish, I'm gonna see how it look. Come on, chicken. You like it? Yeah, people, so don't eat the fish. Jay didn't finish? Nobody don't eat, so get back to the video. Gotta get some of them things here cut up. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch the progress. Alright guys, so we have the sweet pepper here, so just gonna get it cut.
much for the Prego sauce?
I think it's like 800. Because it actually costs more to make from home for you. First time making this.
It's better when you.
Alright, so we have everything nice and yeah, so this is all like the toppings. Alright guys, so we sterilized the counter already. So just adding flour on it so it don't stick. I think this is enough. This is enough. Alright.
Break it in half.
Break it in half.
You're gonna knead it into a dough. Break it in half.
Alright. Knead it into a dough now.
No.
Alright guys, so this is the proper way how to do it because it's not proper. Better than me. Better than me.
This is not going to come out well.
Look fine though. Look good. Pizza. We have the toppings.
Toppings.
Prego. So Prego next.
Yeah.
Go on this. Now add the toppings. Guys, it's kinda come out good. Yeah. So I guess just stay tuned and let's see the results. Alright guys, so we are adding the sauce to the pizza. Smell good. Oh, what cheese? Do you have hot cheese? Alright, so you make this one and we make this one. See that? I'm gonna marry everything already. Yeah, this way more time consuming and expensive.
Which is not alright. Missing a chicken, missing olives.
Pineapple.
Stop it. A little bit more cheese. Get everything to stick together.
Alright, this is it.
Yeah.
Alright. Iron it. Alright guys, trust. Mine a little bit of this. Mine small though. Mine don't small.
No.
Alright guys, so after 3 years of spreading this, finally spread it. How are you guys? So this is my pizza. So I'm gonna do my own twist. So not extra sauce. Extra sauce. Probably enough sauce. And get some cheese. Generous amount of cheese. Alright guys, so I have enough cheese. Spread these. Come close. Yes. Kinda love sweet pepper, so yeah.
Let's put yours.
Put all of it, yeah. Alright, next pineapple. This is very controversial. So add it in again. And I'll put all of it. So I'm probably have to put all of the pepper in.
These are not wearing any gloves.
Oh, yeah. So this is my pizza, so I don't really need to wear gloves. If other persons were getting some, then we'll probably have to wear gloves. This. More cheese. Let's get the last. Alright, this is my pizza now. So we could compare it. Whose pizza is better? Mine. So still some mine are better. Mine are better still. Alright. Mine have the J, guys, so you can differentiate which one is mine. Well guys, we get about 14 minutes and it look like this. So I don't know if it's done.
Yes, it's finished.
It's finished. Alright.
Who's buying something for me?
The oven?
Yeah.
Oh, I can just put mine. I can just put mine. Alright. Alright guys, mine just going this one kinda in there for a while. So first pizza out the oven. Let's see if it slaps or not. It could.
Get some, Daddy. I can
Look.
get some.
Guys, look what I made. Definitely me. Can we look out? Alright guys, so let's try it.
I said pizza.
That's what she's good though. Cheers.
Yeah, wake up, stay from there, please.
My pizza soon come, guys, so stay tuned and watch our run. Hi Jay. Taste the pizza, taste it.
just like a new pizza.
Alright. Alright guys, so this is my pizza. I think we put too much sauce. So it kind of water, you know, going. But taste it. See if it tastes good. As good as the last one. My pizza. This cook better for us. A bit more time for choke. Yeah people, so that's it for the video guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.